Hello everyone and welcome to my food channel. Friends, today we are going to make a very versatile sauce. We are going to make it right from scratch, a basic tomato sauce. You can use it in pasta, you can use it over pizzas. You know what? Another interesting concept, you can just apply it onto bread and have it as a good breakfast. It is extremely versatile and very simple to make. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients before we make the sauce. Now, to make this tomato sauce, what we're going to do is we have taken approximately 1 kg of nice ripe tomatoes. Take a look at them, they're nice and ripe so that it brings about that natural sweetness from the tomato into the sauce. We have 2 medium-sized onions which we will roughly chop. I've taken about 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, a pinch of sugar. We've also taken some red paprika powder so that it brings out a little bit of spice into the sauce, also imparts a little bit of color to it. And we have some vinegar. I'm just going to swirl it around so you can see it in this bowl. About a teaspoon of vinegar, not more. This will help us preserve the sauce. We have some extra virgin olive oil, some salt to taste, bay leaf and peppercorns. Okay, let's quickly take our onion, slice it up. I'm just going to give it a rough chop, not too fine. Okay, so our onion is roughly chopped now. We've taken 2 medium-sized onions over here. We take about 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. And what we're going to do is just give them also a nice rough chop. Now, the secret here is if you want the flavor of garlic to be really intense in the sauce, then you chop it up really fine. Otherwise, if you want it to be nice and subtle, then you just give it a rough chop. Now, let's begin with our tomatoes. What we're going to do is we are going to cut this portion off and then give them a slit over here as a cross so that when we put them into boiling water, because the idea is to remove the skin of the tomato so that the sauce becomes nice and velvety, it becomes nice and smooth. So we're just going to quickly take this portion off and with the help of our knife, one slit here and one here, and it goes back in. Now the process of removing the skin from the tomatoes, we have taken some water and we will bring it up to the boil and we will immerse the tomatoes once the water has reached a roaring boil. Now friends, the procedure of doing this and then immersing that immediately into cold water is also known as blanching. So in a sense, we will be blanching the tomatoes, which will make them nice and soft. They will not cook completely. However, just the right texture for our sauce. Okay, so as you can see, our water's coming up to a nice boil. This is the cold water that we've kept on the side. So once we dunk our tomatoes inside, we will then place them in the cold water. In they go. Now, another very important tip is, because we have taken nice ripe tomatoes, we should not keep them in the boiling water for more than 30 seconds at the best, because we don't want to overcook them. So if you can see this, the skin of the tomato has come off. It's been barely 30 seconds. We are immediately going to take this out and place it in the cold water. Okay, so now our tomatoes are in cold water. The skin has come off perfectly. This is exactly what we want to achieve. Not any effort at all. So we've de-skinned our tomatoes now, and now we're just going to give them a rough chop. Alright, flame on high, in with the olive oil. Use a generous amount. Italian cooking is never complete without good olive oil. In go the onions. What we want to do is, we want to sweat these onions properly, but we don't want to turn them into golden brown. And now goes our garlic. Give that a nice mix. Okay, now we want to reduce the flame so the onions don't turn into golden brown. Beautiful chopped tomatoes. In they go. Just give it a nice stir. All comes together. To this we add our paprika powder. Some salt. About a teaspoon of sugar. Vinegar. Now I'm just using 3 peppercorns and 1 bay leaf. Now we'll just mix this together. I'm going to heat the pan a little more at this stage, just so that we get it to the right temperature. The idea is to eventually cover this and then cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it comes together nicely. So now we are going to cover this and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. The flame is medium high. Let's remove this lid. We've got the perfect consistency the way we want it. Now we are going to turn the flame off and let this mixture cool. Before we put it into the blender to make this into a nice rich sauce, we will remove the bay leaf and the peppercorns. We don't want it to be blending with the mixture, otherwise it will impart a lot of flavor of the bay leaf and the peppercorns, and we don't want to do that. It will overpower the entire sauce. So we will take this out. So friends, our fresh tomato sauce is ready, nice and bottled up. You can use it by keeping it in the refrigerator multiple times. Do tune into more such exciting recipes, and do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.